Hi, Neelika. My name is Yuki. I'm a communication specialist of the Pennsylvania Manufacturing Advisory. So first of all, I want to thank you for meeting me. We know that you and your team participating in the Pennsylvania Manufacturing Advisory project. So could you please introduce your name, when the project you've participated, who is the client you worked for, and what was the main deliverable of the Pennsylvania Manufacturing Advisory project, please?
Yeah. Thanks, Yuki, for having me here. And I would love to share my PAMS experience. So I'm a first year dual degree MBA with MS in MIR student. And the client I worked for was Touchwood Labs. So they are a tech startup company. They launched their company 2 years back, and they develop control panels like touch screens, which we use in our phones or tablets. But the upper surface, the touch surface is made up of natural opaque material like wood or any non-metal material. So the company was really interesting, and the deliverable that me and my team had was to create a Kickstarter campaign, a marketing campaign to launch their product. So far they have not launched their product in the B2C segment directly to the consumer. So that's what we were working on, their Kickstarter campaign, and it was definitely a fun project. And I really enjoyed working on that project because that product was really great, and we actually assessed the home IoT market during the product.
So can you tell us in what ways has this project helped you to grow your professionality?
Yeah, definitely. So since I am an international student, so this was the first time that I was working with a US based company. So first of all, I understood, how what are their requirements. I mean, what are their expectations from the student team, and it also helped me understand that how to go about the market research. So I come from banking background, tech in banking, so I did not ever do any market research for any Kickstarter campaign or launch of a product. So the most important thing I learned about, researching the market for a particular product that we want to launch.
Sounds very interesting. And could you please share one thing you learned as the result of this project that will help you in your career?
Yeah, definitely. So the most important thing I learned was about understanding the requirement of the client. Like since it was the first time that we were working for a client, and initial 2 to 3 meetings were basically about understanding their requirement. Because being student and being on doing the secondary research, I mean, we are not doing any focused research or primary research for the product. So we first understood that what is it that they want and what is it they have already done, so that we can take that work forward and we do not waste any time. So the most important thing I learned was making the communication very smooth and very easy, so that we also share our queries and they also are very clear about their expectations.
Thank you. How would you describe your experience about the Pennsylvania Manufacturing Advisory Project in 3 words?
Okay, it was, I mean, very market research based. It used the like communication skills to understand the client's requirement, and also the problem solving skills, because there was one particular campaign that we wanted to launch and the one particular product that we were handling. So I would say communication, problem solving, and then market research.
Thank you so much for sharing your valuable experience and your unique story.
Thank you, Yuki.